Hey guys, it's Chris from Iwa. Oh boy, do we have a fun topic for you today. Slang for 2022. So get your pen out because you need to be taking some notes for this one. What I want you to do as you're watching is find out the meaning of CHEUGY and then write in the comments what is considered CHEUGY in your country at the moment. Anyway, are you ready? Let's go. Very exciting topic today. We're going to be doing slang from 2022, right? I've got all my notes. I've been studying all the slang on TikTok and everything. But first, what I want to do is a little game, okay? I've got a game, a pronunciation game. I like to call this the orange hat of death. Okay, inside this hat, there are some of the most difficult words to pronounce in English. Wow. How do you say this word?
Jewelry?
Nice, good.
Yeah.
Jewelry. Lovely. Smashed it. Straight out of the park. Do you want to try another one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, again, the same again. Tell me when.
Okay, you can stop.
All right. Let's see what we got here. Okay. All right.
Oh, squirrel? Oh my god.
Yeah, you do. That's great. All right. Not too bad, I don't think. Not too bad.
Okay, yeah, I think it's easy. I think vegetable.
Nice. All right, yeah, vegetable. All right, let's do another. Let's do one more.
Okay,
Then.
great. Great. Okay, stop.
All right. Oh, here we go. We've stepped up a level now.
Okay, tell me. Oh my god. Wow. This is bad, eh?
So, one try.
Worcestershire.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Worcestershire.
Ah, Worcestershire. What do you mean?
It's a place in England. Also, it's a sauce. These are some words or expressions you might see on Instagram, on TikTok. CHEUGY. Caring about the Kardashians' lives is so CHEUGY nowadays. Live, laugh, love. Live, laugh, love, right? You could say they are so CHEUGY. So CHEUGY means common or mainstream. So not cool anymore. Not cool, right? Something that used to be cool, but now it's not cool. It's mainstream. Everyone knows about it, right? For example, the live, laugh, love used to be very trendy. Everyone has in their house. But, you know, when your mum starts to buy it and your auntie has it and your second auntie has it, it's not very cool anymore. It's a bit CHEUGY, okay? You can see basic. I put basic because that's another slang term that people use to say something isn't cool anymore. Like, I don't know, jeans with holes in them are basic, right? Jeans with holes in them are CHEUGY.
So Instagram is CHEUGY.
I don't know. I mean, I suppose Facebook definitely is, right? Would you agree? What do you consider, or from your point of view, or in your country, what do you think is CHEUGY? What would you say is CHEUGY at the moment? Any trends that were popular 1 year ago and now everyone knows about it? Your mom and dad know about it. Your aunties know about it. What do you think is CHEUGY? Rent free. Again, about the Kardashians. For example, people say they hate Kanye West, but they talk about him every day. He lives rent-free in their mind. If something's rent-free, you can't stop thinking about someone or something. Maybe something embarrassing happened to you and that moment lives in your mind forever. Okay, maybe you've seen something really funny and you just can't get out of your mind, right? I don't know. For example, yesterday there was a song from TikTok. I was scrolling through TikTok and there was a song that kept appearing and the whole day it was in my mind, right? The song was living rent-free in my mind. Do you guys know it? It's like the one that's like 16 missed calls. Do you guys know that one? Okay, so give me some examples of rent-free. What lives rent-free in your mind, or who lives rent-free in your mind? So rent-free, what things live rent-free in your mind you cannot forget? A song or a person?
I have many things in my mind.
Now I think about to eating something meal, maybe McDonald's.
Nice. Yeah. I don't think which particular food from McDonald's lives rent free in your mind. Which the
Now
hamburger?
cheeseburger,
Yeah,
my love.
cheeseburger. Yeah. Well, in terms of rent free, maybe, do you have any songs or, I don't know, images or videos or people that live rent free in your mind?
All the song of Queen.
Oh, yeah, always in your mind.
Yes.
Nice.
So if I
Any,
once hear them, I can't get rid of them. So I think these catchy tunes.
they are pretty catchy, right? Like, we will rock you.
Don't start it. So they'll rent through my mind the whole day.
Just want you to remind you about EWA, right? Why are we here? We're here because of EWA, right? The lovely application that you should be using if you want to improve your English, okay? Because they have fun tasks. Have you seen them? You've got like videos and then you can imitate famous people like from Friends or from Big Bang Theory. That's it, the Big Bang Theory. So you can imitate the people from the Big Bang Theory, their pronunciation. You can learn some cool words or some expressions. Some expressions like we're doing today. To pass the vibe check. To pass the vibe check. Okay? What does that mean? To pass the vibe check. If I give an example, we go to a party and everyone's having a great time. My friend Sarah comes and she starts crying. You're like, Sarah didn't pass the vibe check. Sarah didn't pass the vibe check. Positive vibes, exactly, right? So it basically means that a vibe is like the atmosphere, your energy. So you can use this one when you want to say that someone is in the same good mood as you or other people. Okay, so let's say you want to, you want to do lots of things today and you ring your friend and they are in the same mood. They're like, okay, let's go hiking, let's go to the coffee shop, let's do this, let's do that. You can say, you're passing the vibe check today. Like you're in the same mood as me. So something good energy, good vibes, good atmosphere, okay? You can also use it for people as well. For example, you can also use it for places in terms of, let's say, Madrid, for example. You can say Madrid really passes the vibe check. You know, everyone's in a good mood. There's lots of cool things to do, that kind of thing. Main character energy. So we did vibe check, main character energy. Another positive one, just giving you lots of positive vocabulary today. You're welcome. For example, did you see the girl on the left of the video? Maybe you're watching a video, right? Did you see the girl on the left of the video? She really has main character energy. Nice, life of the party. Main character energy means a person who really stands out, maybe because of their style, or maybe they're really funny or really charismatic, that kind of thing. So if you're watching a video and there are many people, but one person really stands out, you can say, that person has a main character energy vibe. Sorry, main character energy, or they have a good vibe, okay? There are plenty more words in the hat, all right? So I'm gonna save this for next week. Make sure you tune in if you want to challenge your pronunciation, okay? There are plenty other good words in here. You can hear it, right? Have a great day, okay? Bye-bye, guys.